Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to make a presentation about the research of the vehicle safety system. This research was made by referring to several of reference such as article, newspaper, journal and books. This research will explain the vehicle safety system in one type of car. The chosen car for this research is Honda Accord 2020. Honda Accord 2020 is the 10th generation of Accord. It is equipped with an enhanced turbocharged engine, placing Honda as the only Japanese mass market manufacturer to introduce the powerful engine in this segment. For the first time ever, the Accord gets a turbocharged engine, allowing it to be the most powerful G-segment sedan in Malaysia. Next is the vehicle specification of Honda Accord 2020. The engine type of the vehicle is inline 4-cylinder with turbocharger, and the boost pressure is 20.8 psi, and displacement is 1996 cc, and this car has the horsepower of 6,500 rpm and the torque 1,500 to 4,000 rpm, and the car has the compression ratio of 9.8 per 1, and the fuel injection of this car is direct injection. What are the active and passive safety system? The active safety system are the system that reduce the chance of an accident or collision in the first place. Some manufacturers also call it as the primary safety system. Manufacturers employ the active safety system mainly to avoid the accident. This system activate before the accident take place, so that they could possibly avoid the accident. Passive safety system are the system which react to the abnormal event. It means that this system activate during or after the accident take place. Thus, the passive safety system help to reduce or decrease the effect of the abnormal event like an accident. The active and passive safety system of this car is for the active safety system, it have the multi-angle rear view camera, vehicle stability assist (VSA) with traction control, anti-lock braking system (ABS), electronic brake distribution (EBD), and brake assist. For passive safety system, this car have the Advanced Compatibility Engineering (ACE) body structure, front seat belt with pretensioner and load limiter, and advanced airbag technology, and the last lower anchor and tether for child car seat latch. Next, I will explain about the active safety system of this car. Firstly, the multi-angle rear view camera. With the Honda multi-angle rear view camera, driver not only get the traditional rear view, but driver also get a top-down view and a wide view. This just help the driver see more the surrounding outside before moving the vehicle. Some vehicle also come with dynamic guideline. This means that the line show where the vehicle is projected to go as the wheel is turned. Next is the vehicle stability assist (VSA) with traction control. Vehicle stability assist use a variety of sensors to monitor condition and intervene to help reduce the possibility of skidding, flowing, and other loss of traction event. The system can reduce throttle and brake individual wheel to help restore the driver intent path. Vehicle stability assist function is to help maintain stability and allows the vehicle to accelerate even on the surface with a split coefficient of friction, such as when one wheel is on the ice and the other wheel on the dry pavement. Next, the anti-lock braking system, ABS. ABS work by maintaining the wheel near the point of maximum traction during hard braking, which allow the driver to brake and steer at the same time, without the brake locking and the tire skidding. Honda's ABS use sensor at each wheel that send wheel rotation speed data to electronic control unit, which is the ECU. When the ECU detect wheel lockup during braking, it reduces the brake line pressure to any locked wheel until the wheel start turning again. Next, electronic brake distribution, which is the EBD. Electronic brake distribution help ensure that proportionate braking force are applied to each brake. During braking, most of the vehicle weight shift to the front wheel, giving them the greatest amount of traction in most braking situations. In order to avoid it, electronic braking distribution use the ABS sensors to detect rear wheel lockup. It then controls ABS solenoid to reduce braking force to the rear wheels, leaving maximum braking force in the front. And the last features of the active safety system of this car is brake assist. Brake assist is designed to help driver apply full emergency stopping power in a panic stop situation. If braking assist detect an extreme rate of pedal application and pressure as the result of a sudden stop, the system applies full braking force to help stop the vehicle in the shortest distance possible. When the driver release the pressure on the brake pedal, the brake assist system deactivates. Next, we go to the passive safety system of this car. The first one is Advanced Compatibility Engineering (ACE) body structure. The Advanced Compatibility Engineering design utilize a network of connected structural elements to distribute crash energy more evenly throughout the front of the vehicle. Enhanced frontal crash energy management help to reduce the force transferred to the passenger compartment and can help to more evenly disperse the force transferred to other vehicle in a crash. The design also helps to reduce the potential of misalignment with the frame of an opposing vehicle, whether it is large or small. Additional structural elements are engineered to enhance vehicle performance in small overlap frontal collisions. Next is the front seatbelt with pre-tensioner and load limiter. Honda 3-point seatbelts are designed to provide the greatest amount of comfort while offering maximum protection to the occupant. The front 3-point seatbelt on all Honda model are equipped with an automatic tensioning system and load limiters. In the event of moderate to severe impact, this system is designed to instantly tighten the shoulder and lap portion of the belt to help hold the driver and front passenger in place. The load limiter allow the seatbelt to relieve their tension slightly after the automatic tensioning system is activated. Next is the advanced airbag technology. Enhanced frontal airbag utilize an electronic control unit to calibrate a number of actors in order to determine the optimal opening speed and position of the airbag. It takes into account the position and weight of the person on the seat, the seatbelt tension, and the speed of the vehicle to come out with the most effective method of opening to cushion the impact of the crash. In order to cushion the impact of the crash, the airbag open into phase. The first phase allows for the airbag to become inflate and lower the force of the initial impact into the airbag. The second phase inflate the airbag to absorb the forward momentum of the individual securely so as not to cause injury. This two-fold method of opening ensure that the airbag deploy safely and doesn't injure the victim. And the last features of the passive safety system of this car is the lower anchors and tether for child car seat latch. The second row of all Honda vehicles are equipped with child seat tether anchors and child seat mounting system called latch, which stand for lower anchors and tether for children. The system uses both the upper child seat tether anchors and lower anchors at the outboard seating position. When used with a latch-compatible child seat, it provides attachment point between the child seat and vehicle to help ensure the proper mounting of the child seat. Next, I will explain about the vehicle safety rating of the Honda Accord 2020. Honda Accord 2020 safety rating is based on the IIHS, which stands for Insurance Institute for Highway, and the NHTSA, which stands for National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. From the rating that I showed you earlier, we know that Honda Accord 2020 is one of the best and safest car that have the most safety system. Next, I will present about the future challenge of vehicle safety system. The future challenge of this vehicle safety system are demographic change and profound shift in global economic power are causing massive upheaval in demand. Other companies also will compete each other to challenge Honda Accord 2020. Other companies will make the upgradable safety system that far higher than Honda productions. Therefore, consumer will choose the better production of safety system. Finally, for the best product required more money, but certain people tend to choose the cheaper product and ignoring their own safety. In the conclusion, we can say that every vehicle has their own safety system for both active safety system and passive safety system. There were various functions and benefits to the driver and passenger because of the vehicle safety system. The active safety system will reduce the chance of an accident or collision in the first place, while passive safety system will react to the abnormal event. It means that this system activate during or after the accident take place. From the safety rating by the Insurance Institute for Highway (IIHS) and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA), it can say that Honda Accord 2020 is the one of the best vehicle that come with the most safe vehicle safety system. I hope Honda will improve and increase their vehicle safety system in the future so Honda can make the safest and most comfort car in the world. Thank you.